everybody, it's Mayberry Man here, and it is February 20th, and we are having a blizzard in Minnesota, Twin Cities area. Check it out. Whiteout conditions, and you know what? That is not going to stop us from geocaching. There's a geocache pretty close to my house that I've just been waiting for the perfect day to go get. And so today I'm going to go get it. And actually it is so snowy that I'm not even going to take my car over there because it'll probably get stuck in the parking lot. So I'm going to walk over there and see if we can find this cache. Alright, see you over there. I'm walking to the park. I would say it's probably near whiteout conditions out here. There's cars going pretty slow, as you can see. This is what it looks like right now. Cars are going fairly slow. I'm at the border of the park. I had to take my glasses off because it was getting a little bit too wet. I'd say the wind is really ripping around out here, and my face is numb as I'm walking here. But yeah, I'm at the park. It looks like, let's see how close we are to the cache from here. Looks like it says 116 feet. So here I'm going to go out into the woods now, and you can follow along with me as I walk here. So, whoop. Bingo. And there we have it. We found the cache. Here it is. Nice silver ammo can there. Excellent. So yeah, even in Minnesota, in the middle of a blizzard, we can still geocache, especially if it's these nice ammo cans here. Very cool.